Read the text.
Read the text.
Learning to play music. You just listen to me, okay? You listen to me. Listen. I read. You don't read, okay? You want to read?
No. Learning to play music is one of the best decisions you can make. Playing a musical instrument like the piano or guitar actually helps your brain. When you practice music, your brain builds new path between its different parts. The parts help you learn all kinds of things, either
math
and reading. Learning to play music as well as also requires you to practice your instrument over and over. All that hard work helps you build discipline and learn to set guitar goals. Not only is playing music good for you, but it's fun too. You can play songs together with friends, and you can express your inner feelings through music. That's why everyone should start playing music as soon as they can.
Okay. What is the other's purpose and the main message in this text? Okay.
The other wants to inform readers that musical instruments are difficult to learn. The other wants to persuade readers that playing a musical instrument has many
positive results.
The other wants to inform readers that musical helps students to better in school. The other wants to persuade readers that musical is more important than other school subjects.
Okay, which one is that? Oh, okay, good. Let's do that. The second one. Okay. Others
write for different
purposes
or reasons. The most common
purposes
are to inform, persuade, or to entertain. To inform and other gives facts or information about a topic.
Example.
Most of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Oceans take up around
70%
of the planet's surface. These
sentences
teach readers
factual
information about the Earth to persuade and other
tries
to convince readers to believe or do something. Example: basketball is the most exciting sport to watch because of the facts, action, and
talented
players. This sentence tries to convince readers that basketball is exciting to entertain. Other tells a story to capture the reader's interest or imagination. Example:
Maria
heavenly breath as she twisted the key into the dusty tank trunk and slowly opened it. This sentence tells a story. The purpose is to interest the reader or capture their attention. The other's main message is the key idea or point. The others wants readers to understand. For example, if a text tries to persuade readers to adopt dogs, the message might be that dogs make great pets. Think about these details in the text.
Music builds path.
Music builds path in your brain, which help with math and reading. Musical teachers
Discipline
and goal setting because students must practice to get better. It is fun to play musical with friends and express yourself with a musical instrument. The other one always
Says.
says that everyone should play a musical instrument. The details try to convince readers to play musical instruments.
Okay.
So you can
Infer.
that the other's purpose is to persuade the reader. Take together these details suggests that the other's main message is that playing a musical instrument has many positive results.
Okay. So that's inform. Persuade. Yeah, that I think that you are positive. That's what you select. Good. Okay. Okay, we may not finish it. Okay, just try this. Okay.
It's always surprising to see how a cat twists in the air to land on its feet. This amazing ability is called the
Writing
reflex.
Reflex. Okay, you hit it here, then you just kick out. Okay, by itself. Okay, what's that?
Amaze.
Okay.
Be amazed
Audiences.
with the power of his voice.
Okay, let's reflex. Oh.
Reflex.
Okay, reflex. Okay, this is called the right reflex. Okay, reflex.
Now, and
automatic
and
often inborn response. Okay, just that's knee-jerk reflex. So you when you see a doctor, the doctor use somebody hit your knee, right? You neck just kick out. That's also reflex. It's natural response. Yeah, like this. You hit here, neck kicks out. That's reflex. Okay. Okay, can spell it.
reflex.
Reaction. Yeah, reflex. This amazing ability is called the writing
reflex. When cats fall their
inner, the inside. Okay, inner, outer, inner. No, inner. Yeah, inner ear. Okay, inner. Okay. Do you remember this?
Reflex. reflex,
reflex,